When I think about yesterday, my oh my.
Hey guys,
Hi.
we are in Sarasota for your grandmother's 93rd birthday. And we're gonna eat at one of her favorite places. And I've only eaten here once. How many times have you eaten here?
I mean, I'm sure I ate here when I was younger, but I don't remember it. So I only remember the one time with you that we were here.
And they have world famous chicken, so I'm sure
And
you're gonna
world
get chicken.
famous pie.
Yes, we're gonna get some pie. Bob's gonna get.
Usually,
what kind of pie do you think Bob will get?
peanut butter.
Yeah, peanut
Usually
butter.
people come for breakfast. They have like a huge breakfast too. I think that's what we had last time.
Well, yeah, when we were talking about it, and I was like, oh yeah, breakfast, and she's like, we're going for lunch. Because we had to leave. It took almost 3 hours to get here.
Yeah. So let's go see what they have. Maybe,
And well, I'll probably explain it. Yoder's.
maybe try something different.
It's what it is, Dutch
Amish.
Dutch Amish
They're Mennonites.
Mennonites. There's a big Mennonite community here in
Florida, in Sarasota. Most people don't really actually know that, but
we actually, the last time we were here, there's a restaurant right down there called Der Dutchman,
yeah,
which is another big Mennonite.
it's a big community here. Not all the people know.
Yeah. So as you can see, we're gonna go have some good food.
And they're into
And don't worry, the horse isn't staying. It's not real, so it's not standing in the sun, not moving all day.
so they're really into, the Amish are really into from farm to table. So everything is homemade,
Yeah.
which I mean a lot of times you don't get that anymore with all the preservatives and everything. So
I can smell the chicken.
I know there's a line, so it might take us a while.
Let's go in there and get something to eat.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss and so I did. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met
What are you gonna order? I think I'm gonna get the country fried steak.
Yoder's famous fried chicken.
You see what it says right underneath it, right?
Well, they have a 2-piece or a 4-piece.
Okay, because it says you better be hungry. Are you hungry? So she's talking about getting this one. I might get this one. A side of mashed potatoes, and I'm trying to think of my other side.
With a cup of soup. A half a sandwich and a cup of soup. Or a whole sandwich.
Oh, choices, choices.
Some homemade bread. Bob's first time trying apple butter.
Yum.
Good?
I wasn't expecting the cinnamon part of the apple butter.
Looks good.
That is my country fried steak, mashed potatoes, and corn muffins.
You don't want it set there. Oh my gosh, Ace.
That's like half of a piece of chicken. Amish noodles and macaroni and cheese.
And if you want to know what chicken liver,
And if you want to know what chicken livers look like, that's it. That's gross.
I've never had country fried steak cut before. The question is, does anyone want a chicken liver? No. How are you going to eat that thing? Are you going to cut it off like that?
My mouth.
With your mouth.
It smells good.
Is it famous? Really good. I want to see how you like those egg noodles, or the, excuse me, Amish noodles.
They're good.
Are they buttery? Mm-hmm. They look.
Chicken in them too.
Ooh. So you got double chicken.
How's yours?
Was it good? You know what I'm waiting on?
Tastes like chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup? I'm waiting on the pie, because you know I'm going to get a peanut butter pie. Yeah. What are you going to get? You don't know yet? How's the mac and cheese? Ooh, that looks creamy. Is it good? Nice.
Alright, sharing my chicken. Yoder's famous fried chicken. How is it? It's good?
I like the breading because it's not too thick.
Yep. It's just right. I gave up on the chicken.
You ate all your soup. That must have been
Gave it to Bob.
What's so bad
sandwich is good.
their pies are so good, I'm going to have to
Take it to go.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my.
They also have a farmer's market attached to the whole complex here. That's the restaurant. It's a small restaurant. And here's the farmer's market, and we'll check out the gift shop down there afterwards.
Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. I feel unbreakable.
Alright, I'm sitting outside of the gift shop right now. Ashley's in there with her mom. I'm sitting out here with Grandma.
Oh.
We're just relaxing while the ladies shop, but that was a good meal, wasn't it? She got a piece of pie. What kind of pie did you get? Pumpkin?
Yeah.
She got pumpkin, I got peanut butter cream pie, so you might see that here before the video's over, but Ashley's just in there looking at stuff. There was some cool stuff in there. I'll put in some B-roll right here. What is that?
A little Amish doll.
Alright, because when you first held it up, I thought it was a voodoo doll. But that didn't make any sense when I thought it.
My oh my. My oh my. A kiss, and so I did. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable.
What'd you think? So I'm just waiting on them, and then what else we got planned for today for your birthday? I don't know, do you?
Nothing.
We'll find out. But this is just gonna be a Yoders video. So I'll wait on Ashley to get out so we can wrap this up with a nice, neat, tidy bow. So, Yoder's review. Well, you know it was good. We wouldn't drive 3 hours not to eat at a place that was good.
Stuffed. Stuff is so cute in there, nice and quaint.
It was a lot brighter than the last time I remembered. I like it because they lightened it up. I didn't shoot a lot inside of there because...
Well, actually, Amish people don't like to be on
Yeah,
film.
and I didn't want to get anybody without, you know, asking their permission and all that. And it's just a respect thing.
But if you could smell it out here, like if you had smell-o-vision, all you'd smell is fried chicken.
Oh yeah, it smells awesome. And even though I'm full, it makes me feel like I want to eat.
And it was crowded. We had to wait to get in, and there's still a line, like out the door waiting.
Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, about 9 people waiting outside right now.
And I
there's
heard
cars
like at
coming in.
Thanksgiving and Christmas time to get the pies, it's like down the road just to get the pie, and the pies are like $25 or something.
Depending on, and they're a 10-inch pie or an 8-inch pie. But I was saying earlier, we'll probably close the video with that pie. Yeah, we'll close the video with the pie. That instead of our usual music, it'll be me eating some pie.
Eating some pie.
Because peanut butter cream pie, come on.
Well, if you are ever in Sarasota, Florida, I would recommend you checking out Yoder's because it is delicious.
And even throwing another one in here, like I think we talked in the beginning, was Der Dutchman.
Yeah.
Der Dutchman is right down the street.
Right down the street.
And this is Bahia Vista.
Yeah.
In Sarasota.
Yeah.
The street name is Bahia Vista. Yoder's or Der Dutchman, you can't go wrong.
And I think it's been on some celebrity like cooking show. Somebody was here, like
Not Guy Fieri. Was it Guy Fieri? Diners, Dives, and Drives?
Yeah, something like that. They've come here before, but it's well worth it.
It was probably on that wall, but there was a lot of people, so I did, you know.
It's just like a little mom and pop restaurant, but it's so worth it.
Yep. But we're going to enjoy the rest of your grandma's 93rd birthday.
I know. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you so much for coming along
on our non-Disney adventure today.
Thank you.
Don't waste a day.
Every day's a gift.
Look at this pie.
That is a peanut butter cream pie.
This is like.
Oh, I can smell it.
It's like dusted peanut butter.
I can smell it. Oh. When he puts his hand on his face like that, that means it's good.
We are getting done. Bags packed, so we're on the run today.